Hey, what's going on, Sharks? Thank y'all so much for filling this. I really do appreciate it. It's going to be one winner. You're going to get three 8.5s. You're going to get the Janice, the Animal, and the Dr. Teeth. You're also going to get two XL shirts. Excuse me, I forgot to grab Fred. You're also going to get two XL shirts, the Statler tee and the Ginger Bolts tee. We got 25 spots, one winner. So let's do this. Sticker pack, as always. Deck's already packed and ready to get an address on it. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. Thank you again. Still several to pay, but I'll post as soon as everybody's done. First one out. Mong, I'm so sorry, dude, but thank you. I really do appreciate it. Mr. Rick Roper, thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Everybody excited for Halloween tomorrow night? I know the little OG is. Mr. Mike Pitzer, thank you so much, Mike. Appreciate it. I'm sure a lot of you saw she's going to be Dorothy, so she's ready. Rick, I'm sorry, buddy, but thank you. Mr. Kelly P, thanks, buddy. Appreciate the support. Mr. Alex Rowland, thank you so much, Alex. Appreciate it, buddy. Ah, Mr. Brian Granger, I'm sorry, dude, but thank you. Mr. Mike Pitzer, thank you again, Mike. Back to back. Mike, I'm so sorry, dude. That sucks, man. I apologize. Mr. Alex Rowland. Thank you again, Alex. Mr. Jason Moore, thanks, buddy. Appreciate all the support. Mr. Travis Lang. Thank you, Travis. Appreciate it. Mr. Jason Moore. Thank you again, buddy. Mr. Travis Lang, I'm sorry, dude, but thank you. Mr. Michael J. Davis from Terry Stutes. Very cool of you, Terry. Sorry, Michael. Mr. Alex Rowland, thank you again, Alex. I'm sorry. Okay, guys. I don't know. It looks like about 7. Get a couple more and get a count. Mr. Che Woosnam. Thank you, Che. Really appreciate it, man. Mr. Corey Graves. Thank you so much, Corey. Appreciate the support. Mr. Jed Davis. Thank you, Jed. Appreciate it, buddy. Okay, guys. 5 left. Oh, back to back, Mr. Jed Davis. I'm sorry, buddy. 4 left. Riggs, I'm so sorry, dude. Thank you. 3 left. Mike Pitzer, I'm sorry, Mike. That sucks, man. 2 left. Next person out. Let me confirm. Oh, no, I'm sorry. 3 left. I apologize. Good thing I checked. 3 left. I'm wrong on the count. Sorry about that. Mr. Che Woosnam. Sorry, Che, but thank you so much. Now we got 2 left. Next person out, Bridesmaid. Bridesmaid. Winner inside Fred. Mr. Kelly P, I'm so sorry, dude. Bridesmaid. That means our winner. Nothing inside Fred. Oh, look at this, look at this. Look at this man. Kelly P, congratulations, buddy. You're the winner. Bridesmaid, double pull. That's when you got to have a double pull. Congrats to you, man. I'm sorry to everybody else that lost, but congratulations to you, Kelly. And thank all of you for the support. Keep your eyes open. Probably going to do an appreciation raffle here pretty soon, so keep your eyes open. Thanks so much. I'm out. Later.